Parturition and lactation. Human pregnancy has the duration of 9 months. This duration is called as gestation period. We know that to take place pregnancy it requires 9 months. This duration is called as gestation period. The duration of 9 months is known as gestation period. At the end of this period, vigorous uterine contractions lead to the delivery of the fetus. This process is called as parturition. Parturition. So what is parturition? When embryo become fully matured, it used to be taken out from the body. When embryo get matured, it will be taken out from the body of a mother, and this process is called as parturition. This process is also known as delivery of the baby. Parturition is a neuroendocrine mechanism. It is a neuroendocrine mechanism and is started by the signals from the developed fetus and the placenta, which produces the fetal ejection reflex. Okay. Parturition is mainly induced. It is mainly induced by neuroendocrine mechanism. It is important. This means neuro means brain. Neuro means brain, whereas endocrine means hormone. Neuro means brain, endocrine means hormone, which will be taking place in the parturition process. There is a link between brain and hormone known as parturition. There is a link between the brain and a hormone, that is neuroendocrine mechanism. This is a parturition process. When fetus is fully developed, and there will be signals from fully developed fetus and placenta to uterine wall. There will be signals taking place between the developed fetus and the placenta, which will produce the fetal ejection reflex. Okay. What is fetal ejection reflex? There will be mild contractions in the uterine wall. This is the uterine wall. There will be the mild contractions in the uterine wall, which will push the baby towards outside. There should be pressure to push the baby outside the body or birth canal. This is called as fetal ejection reflex. To push, there must be a mild contractions in the uterine wall, which will push the baby towards outside of the birth canal. This is called as fetal ejection reflex. Parturition is a neuroendocrine mechanism. The link between the neurons and the hormones is known as neuroendocrine mechanism, and which will be started by the signals from this developed fetus and the placenta, which will produces the fetal ejection reflex, means which will make the contractions to push the baby towards the birth canal. Okay. This causes the release of oxytocin from the pituitary, which causes stronger uterine contraction. Okay. Oxytocin is very necessary to induce the further contractions. In the fetal ejection reflex, there will be mild contractions in the uterine wall to push the baby. But when oxytocin is released, it causes the further contraction, because we need more contractions. To eject the baby out. If more oxytocin is released, there will be much more contractions. So this is the cyclic process which takes place in the human beings, mainly in a females. Okay. Now the delivery of the baby takes place. This leads to the expulsion of the baby along with the placenta. The baby will be coming out along with the placenta. During pregnancy, the mammary glands undergo differentiation and milk is produced during the end of the pregnancy. We know that mammary glands are the milk producing organs, which will not take part in the sexual reproduction, but they undergo differentiation and milk is produced at the end of the pregnancy. The milk is produced during the first few days of lactation is known as colostrums. The milk which is produced in the first few days of the lactation in the lactation period, it is known as colostrum. Colostrum is very important for the immunity of the baby, which contains antibodies that will help in the newborn baby. It contains several antibodies that aid the newborn baby to develop the resistance. It contains antibodies which will help the newborn to develop the resistance maintenance.